Bless up everybody worldwide. It's your boy Clean Car Chris. Welcome back to the channel where it's all about car detailing with nothing but good vibes. Yeah man, today's video is all about drying aids. I'm gonna show you which two I use pretty much every day in my detailing business. So you don't know, keep it locked. Yeah man, drying aids, there are many on the market, right my people, but the two I typically use are, first up, is this product right here, P&S Absolute. It's a rinseless, awesome product, super versatile. I like to use it as a drying aid, diluted, 64:1. I pretty much keep it in this container right here. I usually put about 31.5 ounces of water and about a half an ounce of product in there. That will give me a 64:1 dilution, right? The second product I like to use as a drying aid is also another versatile product, super popular, Tech Choice. You already know. I like to use it in my 16-ounce bottle right here, diluted 1:1. That means just about 8 ounces of product to 8 ounces of water. You understand? So yeah man, today we're gonna do a quick little demo on this Honda Accord. So I'm gonna rinse off and wash off the side of the car right here and to show you how I use the drying aids. Let's do it. Alright viewers, so this is like a demo, I told you. So basically simulating when we're detailing outside, right? So we washed off the panels here, rinsed off all the soap. So the panels are nice and clean, but they're also wet, right? So first up, I got the P&S Absolute, right? I like to use this drying aid pretty much when I'm not adding any protection to the paint. You understand, when I'm performing a service that doesn't require any protection being added, you know what I mean? So, because it does not leave behind any protection. However, it's polymer based, and it will encapsulate any little dirt, water, water drips, water spots. Will help remove all of that really well, and provide a nice slick surface or some lubrication in between your preferred drying towel and the paint, right? So you just mist on lightly. That's why I like this HDX bottle here. It's mist the product pretty well. They mist it on like that. And then if you can see some of the water drops running down. That's the polymer pretty much encapsulating some of the water on the panels, which is a good thing. So anyhow, you have your preferred drying towel. I like to dampen mine a bit, prime it up, and then you just go ahead and dry my people, right? Not rocket science at all, it's a very easy product to use. So you just go ahead and dry. And this will just help prevent any dry dragging. And like I said, remove any dirt that might have been left behind, any water spots and so forth, just to help you give you a nice finish, right? And like I mentioned before, this product doesn't actually leave behind any protection. It just helps remove any of the dirt, provide that lubrication and so forth. Real quick, let me big up one of my viewers at Carl Lowry, 2849 from Ireland. Him saying they're in a Bimmer crew in Ireland. He always give me some wicked comments and shout me out. So big up Carl every time. Yeah man, my second favorite drying aid to use, especially when I leave behind some protection on the paint, is the Tech Choice diluted 1:1. That pineapple juice, right? So you just give it a quick little shake while the panel is still wet. A few spritz with this goes a long way. You don't need a lot, just, you know what I mean? Just like that. And then you go ahead and just proceed like you normally would again. This one I like to use when I'm actually adding a little bit of protection to the paintwork. It's not a lot of protection, it's not super durable. However, it does provide some hydrophobic properties to the paint. and it does leave back a nice gloss and slickness to the paint. So if I'm providing a service that has to check all those boxes, I'll definitely use the Tech Choice. See? Again, just 1, 2, you don't need a lot. And I can already feel the slickness in between the paint and the towel. And hopefully the camera can pick it up, but you know, I think the panels look pretty great. All right, guys, that was just a quick one, so you don't know which drying aids I like to use. The Absolute, just to recap real quick, diluted 64:1. It adds that nice slickness. It's polymer based. Will remove any of those water spots, any little dirt marks, all of that stuff. Does not leave any protection behind, however, but it is super versatile product, and I love to use it on services that require no protection added at the end, right? The Tech Choice, another versatile one. I like to use it 1-to-1. I love using this as a drying aid when I want to leave behind a nice little layer of protection and just to boost up the gloss and the slickness a little bit. So you don't know, my people, a quick one from your boy Clean Car Chris, every Wednesday 4 p.m. You already know the vibe. I'm going to leave links to these 2 products in the description so you can check them out if you want. So show your boy some love, like up the thing, share up the thing, make sure you subscribe. Bless up. Viewers, quick reminder, I want you guys to log on the channel, check out all my content. I have a little bit of everything for everybody, you understand? In the field details, product reviews, you name it, free game, tutorials, all of that, exotics, daily drivers, trucks, SUVs, dirty details, you understand? So you don't know, I want you guys to share up the thing with your friends, your family members, just spread the word for me, because we're on the way to 10K, no stopping me, we'll reach the top, you understand? So like I said, my people, check out the channel, show your boy some love, respect.